In today's video, we're going to show you how to sync Airtable bases with Notion tables using Byteline's data sync. In our Airtable base, we have 4 records with the column names name, status, kickoff date, due date, and last modified. And then over in our Notion table, we have our marketing projects. And within our marketing projects, we only have 1 record. And the unique thing about Notion is that you can have page content within each record. So if we open this record up, we can see that there's rich text enabled. And we can actually sync this with our Airtable base by creating a new field. So we're going to go ahead and create that right now. We're going to do long text, enable rich text formatting. Let's call this page content. So now that that's created, let's go ahead and start creating this sync. Now our applications are already connected, so we just have to select them from the drop downs below. So we'll select our Airtable base, which is ABC Company. And then on the Notion side, we just select the application. In our case, we only have 1 table, but if there were multiple tables, they would load below. So we've got a 2-way sync, and we've got marketing projects on the Airtable side to marketing project on the Notion side. We want to select the last updated column for Airtable. Select next. And now that our table is mapped, we want to go ahead and map our fields. Now Byteline automatically detects and maps fields with a like or similar name. So we can see its status to status, kickoff date to kickoff date, and so on. And then we need a unique key in order to identify unique records. And what we want to do next is add the page content field that didn't automatically load. So we'll select page content over here, and then page content on the Notion side. Save that. So now we can do a quick review of what will happen once we enable this sync to go live. So on the Airtable side, 1 record will be created, which makes sense since we only have 1 record in Notion. And then 4 records will be created in Notion, which again checks out because we have 4 records in our Airtable base. So let's go ahead and start this sync. Our sync is now live, and if we go into the change history, we can get details on exactly what's happened within each record. And we can confirm this by going over to our Airtable base and seeing that the employee satisfaction survey has been added. And then if we tab over to our marketing projects in Notion, we can see that there's now 5 records there. Now any edits to existing records or new records or deleted records will automatically be handled and recorded in the change history right here. Our sync is now live and we're good to go.